Unusual ingredient, I use a lot of things. So I use a lot of spices. The most, I would say, I go to the market regularly, and I take the local fruits, and I do a beer with it. So I define a beer according to the availability of the products on the market. For example, I did a red wine beer that I went to market. We bought some grapes, red grapes. I made red wine on the side. So I crushed the grapes. I fermented, let it ferment for a few days, made the beer on the other side, let it ferment a little bit, put the two together and let them ferment together. So it was a hybrid beer, we call it. So a mixture of wine and beer. When you close your eyes and you taste it, you were not sure if you were drinking wine or beer. That, for example, that was a fun ingredient to work with.